Today's recipe is for Chinese roast duck. Now this duck was mistaken for store-bought. The secret ingredient is a sugar called maltose, which is produced by fermenting grains such as barley, rice, or millet. So this maltose sugar gives a duck a glossy skin and makes it slightly sweet. Before I show you my recipe for Chinese roast duck, let's visit a famous restaurant for their version of Chinese roast duck.
Today we're at the Red Star restaurant. We're going to try some dim sum dishes. I heard their barbecue duck is really good, so we'll give that a try.
I'm always in search of the best Chinese roast duck. So this is the Red Star version. So here's half a duck that I'm going to have with a big bowl of rice to soak up the nice juices. You can tell by the crispy skin. It's a nice looking duck.
Look at that duck. The skin is so crispy and juicy. Wow.
So this is the rice roll. So what you do is put some soy sauce on it. This is probably a soy sauce sugar solution. It has a nice touch with the slivered ginger, whole prawns. So really fantastic.
That's really good.
Having this rice roll with a barbecue duck, fantastic combination. So look at this juicy duck. Look how juicy this is.
Skin is really crispy, really juicy, lots of flavor. You got to try this duck here.
Now it's time to check out my Chinese roast duck recipe and tell me what you think. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. So we're going to put inside the duck the marinade. So we have some barbecue sauce here. I like this one by Kun Chan. So we're going to put about a tablespoon and a half of barbecue sauce. Then I'm going to put a tablespoon and a half of this Chinese sauce. It's a chou paste. So this is a soybean based sauce as well. So is the barbecue sauce. So you can use any kind of soybean based sauce. You can use hoisin sauce as well. Put about half a dozen pieces of ginger here. So just drop that in. I'm going to put a teaspoon of sesame oil in there. Put some light soy sauce, maybe a tablespoon or two. So just mix the ingredients together. So here we have a young duck. It's about 4.5 pounds, roughly 2 kilograms. So I washed the duck in cold water, rinsed it off, including the inside. So I'm going to put some of this sauce inside. I'm going to put the sauce inside the duck with the ginger. So just stuff the duck with the sauce. Gives it nice flavor. You can use other kind of sauces like hoisin sauce. So I've got 3 stalks of green onions I washed. So I'm just going to stuff the 3 stalks of green onion into the duck, into the cavity. So this is for flavor. So you're not actually going to eat the green onions, it's just for flavor. So I'm just going to seal the cavity. You can use a wooden skewer or metal skewer. Or you can also leave it without skewering. But I like to keep the juices inside. Just put some of the leftover sauce over the surface of the duck, just to give it some color and flavor. I get this metal contraption to hang the duck. So I got the duck basically hanging by the wings here, so you can see where I inserted the metal skewer or the metal hanger. So now I'm going to put 3 cups of water, boiling water. So I'm going to put some of this maltose in. So maltose is like a kind of sugar, I guess. I first ate maltose when I was in Hoiping, China. So it was like a candy on a stick. So this is what it was. So maltose is very sticky. So when I had the candy, it was like this. It was very sticky. You can use honey if you don't have maltose. So I'm just going to spoon some of the hot water in here into the jar. That's basically one jar is equivalent to 1 cup. I kind of dissolve part of it first. It might stick to your wok. So I'm just going to simmer it at low heat right now. So I'm going to put a 1/2 cup of white vinegar. So now I'm going to put in 1/2 cup of black vinegar. So you can go with all white vinegar, but I put 1/2 cup of black vinegar. It's slightly sweet, so it gives it a more complex flavor. So just put that in there, the black vinegar. Hold your duck over the wok and ladle some of the boiling water over the duck just to seal in the skin. Go both sides. On the front too. All over the front too. Now I'm just going to let the duck hang for about half an hour, then I'm just going to put it in the fridge for 24 hours. So you can see when you hang the duck, it's just going to dry out the skin. So the duck has been in the fridge for 24 hours. I took it out about 2 hours before cooking. So as you can see, the skin is nice and tight. And it's really dry, so it's going to be real nice crispy roast duck. So now we put the duck on a tray, so the bottom doesn't touch the tray. It's going to have more even cooking when you put it on a rack like this. So the duck is going to be cooked slow at 320 degrees for 3 to 3.5 hours. And it's going to have a real nice crispy skin, and it's going to be really moist and tender. So as you can see, the skin is really crispy and the meat is really moist and tender. So there you have it. Crispy Cantonese roast duck. Enjoy. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like and subscribe. Any comments are always welcome. Take care and stay safe.